Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's the core engine driving innovation in nearly every industry. Whether you're in finance, healthcare, marketing, education, or tech, AI is transforming the way we work, think, and create. And here's the truth. If you don't level up your AI skills now, you risk falling behind in a world that's moving faster than ever. By the end of this video, you'll know the 10 most crucial AI skills you need to master in 2025 to stay relevant, competitive, and future-proof in your career. And stick with us until the end, because number 10 might just be the most unexpected, yet the most powerful skill that separates those who thrive from those who get left behind. Let's jump in with skill number 1. Machine learning fundamentals. This is the foundation. If you don't understand how algorithms learn from data, how models are trained, validated, and tested, you're going to struggle to keep up. Whether you're a coder or not, understanding supervised and unsupervised learning, regression, classification, and clustering is absolutely essential. More and more job roles, even non-technical ones, are now requiring at least a working knowledge of these principles. If you can explain what overfitting is, or how a decision tree works, you're already ahead of the curve. The good news is, platforms like Coursera, edX, and even YouTube offer beginner-friendly courses that make these concepts accessible to everyone. Skill number 2. Prompt engineering. In the age of large language models like GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini, knowing how to craft the right prompt is a superpower. This isn't just about asking questions. It's about giving AI systems context, constraints, and clear objectives. Prompt engineering is the skill that turns a good answer into a great one, and an average workflow into an automated powerhouse. Companies are already hiring prompt engineers, and the demand is only going to grow. Whether you're building chatbots, automating content, or conducting research, prompt engineering saves time, boosts accuracy, and maximizes the output of every AI interaction. Skill number 3. Data literacy. AI is powered by data, but raw data is useless without the ability to interpret it. Being data literate means you can clean, organize, and draw insights from structured and unstructured data. You should know how to read visualizations, identify trends, understand data bias, and question the validity of data sources. Tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and Tableau are a start, but knowing how to manipulate data using Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy will take your skills to the next level. In 2025, data literacy won't be a niche skill. It will be the language of decision-making across all industries. Skill number 4. AI ethics and responsible use. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more embedded in our lives, ethical considerations are no longer optional. You need to understand bias in AI systems, data privacy, algorithmic transparency, and the social impacts of automation. Employers are increasingly looking for people who can help them navigate the ethical landscape of AI. This skill isn't just for policymakers or ethicists. Product managers, designers, and developers all need to grasp how to build and deploy AI systems that are fair, transparent, and aligned with human values. Understanding AI ethics is not just about doing the right thing. It's about building trust in the systems you help create. Skill number 5. Natural language processing. NLP is the engine behind chatbots, translation tools, sentiment analysis, and voice assistants. In 2025, almost every application you interact with will have some form of NLP under the hood. If you can understand tokenization, named entity recognition, embeddings, and transformers, you're setting yourself up for some serious career flexibility. Learning platforms like Hugging Face make it easier than ever to work with cutting-edge NLP tools and datasets. And you don't need a PhD to get started, just a curiosity for language and a willingness to experiment. Skill number 6. AI-driven automation tools. You don't always need to build AI from scratch. Sometimes the smartest move is knowing which tools to use and how to use them. AI-driven platforms like Zapier, Notion AI, ChatGPT, and AutoGPT are allowing solo entrepreneurs and small teams to achieve what once took an entire department. In marketing, customer service, HR, and operations, these tools are redefining productivity. Learning how to chain tools together, build workflows, And use APIs to connect different platforms is a game-changing skill. It's like being a modern-day alchemist, turning digital friction into fluid automation. Skill number 7, computer vision. As more businesses explore visual data, computer vision is exploding in relevance. It's behind facial recognition, quality control in manufacturing, medical imaging, autonomous vehicles, and even the filters on your favorite social apps. Knowing how to use tools like OpenCV, YOLO, and TensorFlow to build and understand image-based models opens up entirely new verticals. And as wearables, AR glasses, and smart cameras become more common, computer vision will only become more mainstream. If you can teach a computer to see, you'll always have a role in building the future. Skill number 8, generative AI tools. From art to code to voiceovers, generative AI is giving creatives and developers unprecedented power. Tools like Midjourney, Sora, Runway, and DALL-E allow you to generate stunning visuals from just a few lines of text. Codex and GitHub Copilot can write and debug code in seconds. Learning how to use generative AI effectively isn't just about making content, it's about storytelling, idea generation, and rapid prototyping. Mastering these tools gives you a creative edge that's hard to match. And it's not just for creatives. Product designers, marketers, and business strategists are finding new ways to express ideas faster and more vividly than ever before. Skill number 9, AI for decision support. AI isn't just about automation, it's about augmentation. Knowing how to use AI to support strategic decision-making is one of the highest leverage skills you can develop. This means understanding forecasting models, predictive analytics, and simulation tools. It also means learning to question AI output, test assumptions, and combine AI insights with human judgment. Executives are relying more on AI dashboards and models to guide major business choices. If you can bridge the gap between AI output and actionable decisions, you're not just valuable, you're irreplaceable. And now for number 10, and it's not what you might expect: AI collaboration and communication. As AI tools become more powerful, the real differentiator is going to be your ability to work with them. That means explaining how AI works to non-technical stakeholders, collaborating with teams that include both humans and machines, and knowing when to rely on AI and when to override it. Communication is the skill that connects every other skill on this list. Can you build trust in AI systems? Can you clearly articulate their capabilities and limitations? Can you help people see AI not as a threat, but as a partner? In a world increasingly shaped by intelligent systems, those who communicate well about AI will lead the conversation. The future isn't waiting. It's already here. AI is not a distant concept. It's embedded in your phone, your job, your healthcare, your entertainment, and your education. The difference between thriving in 2025 and falling behind is whether or not you're willing to adapt and learn the skills that matter most. The good news? You don't have to master everything overnight, but you do have to start. Pick 1 or 2 skills from this list that align with your interests or career goals and commit to learning them. Watch tutorials, build small projects, join AI communities, experiment. The barrier to entry has never been lower, but the rewards for those who step up have never been higher. If you want to stay informed, stay empowered, and stay ahead of the AI curve, you're in the right place. Smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our deep dives, tutorials, and AI updates that will keep you one step ahead of the future. Because the future isn't waiting, it's being written right now, and you should be the one holding the pen.